Hello guys, welcome back to this interesting video. Shall be sharing more about the components of a computer and shall be starting with the start button. So we shall be sharing what is a start button, and a start button mostly it is very important for each and everyone to know how to operate a computer using the start button. So in all the computers, when you want to maybe click on the start button, you just come and click on the start bar. After clicking on the start bar, it will give you option, it will give you like the start button, and this is how the start button looks like. After that, click on it, then it will give you options. We have lock, sleep, update, and reset. So always it's very important to follow all these steps when you're operating a computer. Then the first one, it is lock. Under lock will give you very many things, like you want to lock your computer. Maybe you have a password or a pattern in your computer, you can use lock. Then sleep, maybe you want your computer to stay on, but you will be using low power. That is when you use sleep. Then you have shutdown. Shutdown, maybe you want your computer to totally go off. You want to close all the apps, and you also want your PC to go off. You can use shutdown. Then we have reset. Reset and set, they fall under the process called booting. And booting occurs maybe, and resetting mostly occurs when there is a viral attack, your computer is freezing. That is when you go to restart. So restart helps like to close all the apps and turn off the computer and then turns it on again. That is when you use restart. And restarting a computer, it is termed as warm booting. Warm booting mainly occurs maybe when you are starting your computer for the second time, or you are starting a computer which was already started, or it was already powered on. Then cold booting, you are starting your computer for the first time. That is when you can use cold booting. So it is very important for each and everyone to know what is containing, what the start button is containing. So we shall be using the start button to do very many things, and also it is very important for us to follow the procedures when we are shutting down our computer. So when you're shutting down the computer, you have not to use shortcut. You just follow the steps. You come to the start bar. After the start bar, you come and tap on this. After tapping on that, then it will give you option. You tap shut down. Then after tapping on that, your computer will totally go off. It's not necessary for us to use the shortcut method, but it's good always to follow the right procedures when we are shutting down our computer. It's also good for us like to restart our computer. As you can see, it is very necessary for us to restart the computer, mostly when your computer is disturbing you due to viral attack. Then also it is freezing, you can restart your computer so that you powered it on again. So it is very important for this also. And for this one also, sleep, it is very important for a PC to go like to stay on, but it will be using low power. That reduces on the consumption rate. So that is all about the start button, and it is always very important for a computer to have a start button, because a start button it helps a computer to operate efficiently, and also the person using the computer will be able to operate a computer without any problem. That's why it is very important for each and everyone to know how to operate a computer using the start button. So we shall be sharing more about computer, but I know in the next video we shall be sharing more about computer still, but this one shall end here for the start button. And most of the things I think I've talked about it, the things which are necessary, or the things which we are supposed to do when you're using the start button, and where the start button it is found in a computer. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you. We'll meet next time and we'll meet in the next video.